Add some flair to your draw programs by changing the color. Try drawing a 5-point star this time, but instead of one long line, draw each line of the star separately by lifting your finger at the end of each line. First, you'll need to undo the square by using the Undo button again. Draw the first line of the star. Now tap the color wheel in the bottom left corner. Change the color to green, minimize the toolbar, and then draw the next line, being sure to start where the last line ended. Now change that line color to red. Whoops, that's not what I wanted. In the draw canvas, you also can undo an individual line with the Undo button, or you can redo it as well. I'll undo that last line, then retry again. Okay, that one looks great. Now go ahead and finish the last 2 lines with colors of your choice. All done with your star? Tap the green Start button again. So cool! I bet your star looked awesome. Be sure to check out the next activity for more things to do with the draw canvas.